Hi guys, welcome to SA Kicks and Reviews. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Converse Jack Purcell sneakers. Now Jack Purcell is definitely a timeless sneaker, guys. Originally invented in 1935, and it was made for Jack Purcell, who was a badminton champion. So this is the box of it. You can see your barcode, your Converse logo. There's a picture of your shoe on it as well. This is the underneath of the shoe, showing the diamond cut design that's on the soles of your shoes. This definitely is an elegant sneaker, guys. Very iconic as well, and very well known in the sneaker culture. So this is the leather edition, the black leather edition of the Converse Jack Purcells, which looks very smart and looks very elegant. Will definitely go with any outfit that you may wear, as it has a bit of casual and a bit of formal look to it with the black leather outline. And this is your leather Jack Purcell, guys. As you can see, this is the front view of it. Very smart. It has a good weight to it as well. It's not light. You can see the smile in the front, and that is iconic with the Jack Purcell edition. That's your leather there, and it has two lace holes on the side. That's your Converse Jack Purcell logo at the back. You can see the stitches outline. These are your lace studs. It has 7 lace studs and 2 lace studs at the bottom, as I've said. Inside you have a tag that will show you your Jack Purcell shoe size, as well as a QR code that you can scan with your camera. Inside you have a Converse logo, and let's remove that wrapper. You can see a few details there as well on the inner soles of the shoe. A very elegant shoe, guys. Guys, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. The smile in the front is definitely the trademark of Jack Purcell's. These are the soles of the shoe. You can see the brown Jack Purcell Converse stamp in the center. Your lace studs and the smile. A very comfortable shoe, guys, and very strong, very durable as well. The leather makes it hard for dirt or scuff marks, as well as anything to penetrate the shoe. Always be sure to check your Jack Purcells for originality, as there are many fakes out there as well. As I've mentioned, the weight of the shoe, the smile in the front, the 7 lace studs, the brown Jack Purcell Converse logo underneath. And that's your Converse Jack Purcell sneaker, guys.